You've probably used a microwave to heat up your food, but did you know that these common household appliances were actually invented by accident? It's true. Back in 1945, an engineer named Percy Spencer was working on a radar-related project using a magnetron, a device that produces microwaves. When he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted, he made the connection. The microwaves from the magnetron had cooked the chocolate. Fascinated by this discovery, Spencer began conducting experiments, eventually leading to the development of the modern microwave ovens we use today. So next time you're warming up your leftovers, remember the melted chocolate bar that started it all.